In the last video, we discussed the importance of reviewing your financial preparedness along with the child's academic progress. In this video, I want to give you some insights of how you can take cues about their career and how you can help them choosing the right career path and how all of this ties with your financial planning. Start by observing their interests and hobbies. See what activities they enjoy. Take note of subjects they excel in and love at school, be it math, science, or arts. These can provide you valuable early indicators of their potential career choices. Pay attention to who your child admires, be it a media figure, your close family member, or in your community. These figures can influence their aspirations, but it's crucial that their career choices align with their unique strengths. Listen to their conversation and monitor their curiosity levels. For deeper insights, consider consulting a career counselor. Professional guidance can help match your child's talents and personality with real world career opportunities. As parents, we naturally invest in our child's education, but career planning is equally important. Both require a thoughtful consideration and work hand in hand to ensure that your child's career is set for a bright future. With the right financial planning, you can ensure that you can support them all the way on their path. At Millionsworth, we can help you integrate career planning for your child along with your financial planning to give the best start and foundation for your financial planning and career of your child. Reach out today to secure their future both financially and professionally.